Hey guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about the Wacaroons percentage rent example. So we're going to go over this together, but first I want you guys to try this on your own. So first, here are the lease terms. As we said, you have 2,000 square feet. Your rent per square foot is $30. You have triple net reimbursements. Your natural break point is 6%, and these year one sales are $1.2 million in net sales. So year one has already passed. So we want to find out what is their annual percentage rent payment owed to the landlord. So I want you to fill everything out in yellow. So fill out their annual rent. So make that calculation. This natural break point is just for you to be able to add that 6% in there. The natural break point in dollars, the amount over the break point, and then finally the percentage rent. So please pause the video, try it on your own, and when you're ready, come back and we'll do this together. Okay, so we're going to do this together. So if you go to, in your Excel document, if you go to percentage rent, Wacaroons solution, you'll see here are the answers. So how do we figure this out? So first off, we calculate the annual rent, and the annual rent is pretty simple. It's just C2 times C3, so it's 2,000 square feet times $30 per year, and you get $60,000 in annual rent. Your natural break point is 6%, so you're just taking equaling C5. Your natural break point is $1 million. So how do you calculate that? Well, as we discussed in the previous lesson, you calculate that by taking the annual rent and then dividing that by the natural break point. So your natural break point is $1 million. So they need to do $1 million in sales every year in order to hit that natural break point. So at $1.2 million of sales, so 1.2 million minus $1 million, the amount over the break point is $200,000. So then that percentage rent is calculated as 6% times the amount over the natural break point. So you have 6% times 200,000. So your percentage rent payment should be $12,000. So that means that on top of their base rent and any sort of reimbursements, that tenant, Wacaroons, is also going to pay $12,000 in percentage rent. Now, as you can see, I added those triple net reimbursements. Those are actually not necessary when looking at percentage rent payments because percentage rent payments are based off of the base rent. So no CAM reimbursements are included with that natural break point calculation.